Oh, you're looking at a 2001 Toyota Prius that is completely dead. We do not know how to fix it, and as you can see here, we are moving. So we do have a clear title to it, though. We just don't know how to work on these, and if you do, you're going to get a great buy here. It's a 2001. The body's in good condition. Does have some touch-ups or clear coat marks. Tires are decent. I believe it got jumped backwards and blew a fuse or something. There's nothing burnt. We just can't figure it out, and we're moving from here. So that's the story. That's the way it's being sold. It's clean inside. The window won't go up because of the fact that it's, you know, even with a battery jump, it won't do anything. So it has gotten wet before from the rain, but really doesn't look bad considering. A couple leaves in there, some tape where we taped it before. I'm going to put a bag over it right now because it's relatively dry in there. So that's the story. I don't know if it has anything to do with that red wire there. I'm not sure. So if you work on these, here you go. You're gonna get one at a cheap price. It's located in Bel Air, Maryland, at a storage lot. Our dealership is in Aberdeen, Maryland. You have to stop in Aberdeen and do the paperwork first before you pick it up. So that's the story. Buy this Prius and get yourself a cheap car and fix it.